Hi, I'm Cadet Gerardo,
And I'm Cadet Teddy Glesner.
and this is Financial Planning Prototype for soldiers that we need to counsel. For the agenda today, we're going to be talking about first our influence diagram, basically what's going into financial planning. Then we're going to go over our Excel workbook prototype. And at the end, we're going to wrap up with what work we have left to do. So let's get into it.
So this is our influence diagram, and our objective is to calculate net worth. And net worth is calculated through the difference in current asset and current liabilities. Liabilities are calculated through tax, inflation, and debt. And the assets is a summation of your salary, housing, investment, GI Bill, and benefits tied to dependents. And expected ETS and retirement date affects both savings, which affects investment, and it also affects the GI Bill. And housing is affected by the location, which affects your BAH. Salary is affected by your years of service, deployment pay, and your rank.
And all this ties back into net worth, and that's basically what we made our Excel workbook on. So this is our workbook, and we wanted to start off with all the inputs for the soldier who's coming in for a counseling. So basically the idea is that he comes in and he inputs everything, all the data in at the beginning that he possibly can. And then right away the workbook starts calculating things out in the other sheets. So for example, from his rank we grab his pay. For an O2, 3 years of service, it grabs from the table the pay using the formulas we learned in class. So after it grabs the soldier's pay, we go into investments. Basically, his savings, what assets he has currently saved up, and what he's planning on using for retirement. After he inputs these by hand, the liabilities, basically any debt he has and monthly payments, we're going to use that later on in the monthly budget. And so in the monthly budget, we just want to see how much he's spending per month and make sure he's not in the red. So here's our remainder. What we have yet to do is calculate federal income taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and state taxes. And also, we have yet to plan for the education part, but in this tab we're going to use the GI Bill and see what kind of plan he has for education. For the retirement, we grab his percentage of retirement at his last income and then of his rank. And then for the summary, what we want to do is get a retirement goal and future value of that, which we have yet to come up with a formula, but we will.